Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone. This one's a complete setup with all the different connectors, the lightning port, the camera connector and the Type-C connector. So just getting a bit closer, up close and personal with the Lark M2. Ooh, that was smooth. Some stickers, 3 items in here. The first one's the box, I suppose. This has got the transmitters. Yeah, so this one's the lightning connector. Easy. Yep, there you are. The lightning connector. And this one's the Type-C connector. Okay. The Type-C connector. Finally, you've got the case. Very nice little logo in the front and very minimalistic otherwise. At the back, you've got this nice silvery finish Type-C charging port as well. All the look and feel is quite attractive, quite impressive. It also says Hollyland over here. And if you open it up, you get the receiver. I suppose this is the receiver with the audio. And there's also the magnet, so it does stick in. And these are the transmitters that would essentially connect to either side. It does turn on. If you can see, the LEDs have turned on. It does suggest that it's fully charged, which is good. It doesn't show. Oh yeah, it does show that it is getting charged at the moment. And here's the other one. And on the front, it's got the mouthpiece, I suppose. And now just putting this back in to show that this should be getting charged. Yep, that's on. I'm just quite impressed by the box. Opens and closes so nice and smooth. The box is quite well built. Plastic though, but of course very well built. The opening and closing, it's all really good. You can hear that. Brilliant. It's a case for the box. Of course, this one's for the camera. See this? It does have a way to clip onto the hot shoe. And once it's there, then you just need to connect the Type-C. No, sorry, it's the 3.5mm jack. Connect straight on to the camera, and that should do the job. Brilliant. So, yeah, it's a neckband, and it would act as a beautiful accessory of your 2 of these. In fact, if you were to do like recording using this gear rather than sticking inside your t-shirt or shirt or whatever. So it's a good accessory to have. These are the clips with the magnet as well, with Hollyland branding. Good to have a check. Yep, it just sort of wraps itself around the transmitter. Everything looks pretty nice and neat. Now, from here on, you'll be listening to the Hollyland Lark and how it sounds. This has been recorded by the Hollyland Mark II. If you would notice, I've got that added as a badge over here. And this has been recorded directly from this microphone. And it's connected to the receiver on the camera, which is connected to the 3.5mm jack. That then connects finally to the camera. So it has its own battery. So I didn't have to connect it to the Type-C, but obviously this camera that I'm using, it does have a Type-C. So I could use that to connect to give it more power, but it didn't seem to need anything. The hot shoe doesn't give it power. It just is kind of an accessory, a plastic accessory to just mount on top of the hot shoe mount on the camera. So yeah, it's been recorded by the Hollyland Lark M2 at the moment. So this is one of the transmitters. So I could use 2 transmitters perhaps, but I suppose one of the 2 transmitters could be used by a musician, 1 singer and 1 reception. So that could be a good setting to have to try. All right, so that's a wrap. If you've got any questions or queries, please let us know. Reach out to us for any questions, queries, concerns, anything at all. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to My Next Best. And as always guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Be well. Bye.